Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money online. Making money online has become increasingly popular over the past few years, and for good reason. It's a convenient way to earn extra income or even turn it into a full-time career. There are many different ways to make money online, and it can be overwhelming to try and figure out where to start. In this video, we'll go over some of the most popular and effective ways to earn money online. First, let's talk about starting a blog or website. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular subject, you can create a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or by selling your own products or services. It takes time and effort to build up a successful blog or website, but it can be a very rewarding and lucrative way to make money online. Another way to make money online is through freelance work. If you have a specific skill or talent, such as writing, design, or social media management, you can find freelance work on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. Freelance work allows you to work on your own schedule and choose the projects that you want to work on. You can also make money online by selling products or services through an online store. This can be a physical product that you source and ship, or a digital product that you create and sell. Online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon are popular platforms for selling handmade or unique products, while platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and sell a variety of products. Finally, you can make money online by becoming an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission on any sales that you make. You can promote products through your own blog or website, or through social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. There are many other ways to make money online, and the best option for you will depend on your skills, interests, and goals. The key is to find something that you enjoy and are good at, and then to put in the time and effort to make it a success. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you some ideas for how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on making money online